Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, skincare and makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. So today I have something very exciting. I'm going to be doing I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my hauls from the month of March. I have been waiting to show you guys everything that I got between the Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty and the FabFitFun Box Edit Sale. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, and I would greatly appreciate if you guys would like the video. Also, if you haven't done so as of yet, make sure you have entered my giveaway. It's still running for one more week. But let's get started, and because it's kind of heavy, I'm going to keep it down here. So the first thing I got was from BH Cosmetics. This is their Lavish Elegant 15-piece brush set. I've been needing to get an eye set, this was such a killer deal. It came in this cute little bag, which is a really nice fabric. And these brushes are just absolutely gorgeous. I love the detailing. I love this very sleek detailing, and the bristles feel really good as well. Next thing I got was this BH Cosmetics fan brush. Actually, is this guy right here. This is actually a really good fan brush to apply your concealer. A friend of mine recommended me to get one of these, which makes it a little bit easier for me to do my application. I also am looking for a thinner, more fine fan brush to do an easier cut crease since I have hooded eyes. But again, very nice bristles, great quality, and this was only like $3 or $4. And then, because you guys know how much I love the First Aid Beauty Radiant Pads, I got myself a backup because it was 50% off during the Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. That same order, I got the MAC Cosmetics Skin Finish Natural Mineral Powder in shade medium. To me, it comes in a really cute package, but to me this looked suitable for my skin, so I figured I'd give it a try. But I'm really excited to try it out because so many bigger influencers always rave about this powder. Now, another powder I picked up, it was for backup. It's the Pure 4-in-1 Mineral Powder in shade LG6, which I already own because Ipsy sent me a travel size, basically, or deluxe sample size. It has really beautiful packaging. It's just really nice. I love how it sets my makeup and it gives me like a nice flush of color, and many a times I like using it just on its own. I'll do some color correcting or concealing, and then I'll apply that on my face, and it's just for a nice natural day. And then, because I want to start doing more cream contouring, I got the LA Girl Toast and I got Toast and Chestnut from LA Girl. This way I'm able to do more chiseled contouring, and I do have cream palettes. It's just this makes it much more easier for the application. And again, many people rave about these. I do love their color correctors already. I just hadn't purchased concealer or the darker tones for contouring. I also picked up 2 toners, which I had so many toners this month, but I got the Corsex AH/BH Toning Clarifying Treatment Toner. I've been actually wanting to really try this out, and again, it was on sale for like $10, so it was really worth the buy, even though I have quite a few at this time. It's worth it because you go through them pretty often, especially since I do use toner in the morning and evening. And as you saw the Mamone, I have virtually the entire collection for Mamone. I got these last year, like the sample sizes from Allure Beauty Box, and I loved it so much. I stretched it out as long as I could. I missed it during the last sale, and I'm so glad I picked it up. Again, toners, you go through them fast. Me and my daughter both use them, so they won't go to waste, and as long as you don't pop them open, you're good to go. And these typically last you for a good year, as long as, you know, again, you're not opening them in advance. But I love the rose scent. It's a very hydrating formula, and it just left my skin feeling so nice and supple. I'm so glad I got this. Now, from FabFitFun Box, I actually got a trio, but sadly I got the rose trio from FabFitFun Box from their edit sale, but one of the serums, which was a rose hip press, the rose hip oil somehow was damaged. FabFitFun Box emailed me saying that the rose hip oil that was supposed to come with the trio, an entire shipment was damaged, so they could not send it to me, but I still got these 2 items, which is perfectly fine. But I really do need a rose hip oil, so now I have to go buy another one. But I've always wanted to try the Lila lipsticks. I want to try more of their products in all honesty, but this was such a great bundle, it was worth getting it. And I also got the Kill Georgette Cleaner Rose Clarifying Toner. I'm sorry, butchered it. But I also bought their cleanser, so I figured the 2 would go together perfectly. Now for the Lila, this is their tube. It's very sleek, very nice. It's a gorgeous mauve tone, and in my opinion, Lila is very similar to Kosas, which you guys know I'm an ambassador for Kosas, and they have makeup products which has skincare, amazing skincare ingredients, except they're a little bit more pricey on average. So again, if I can ever buy those products on sale or at a more affordable price, I will definitely do that. Now I also picked up this serum from Dirty Lamb. It's their Ultra Day Serum. It's a non-greasy formula. Now that my husband has gotten into the skincare regimen, I wanted to make sure he stayed on track, because even himself, he's noticed how much his skin has improved since he started getting the men's box by Fashionsta, and he's at this point, he's out of the serum, so I'm glad it came just in time for him to begin using it, because he does love serums and oils a lot more than regular lotion. So kudos. And I also picked up the Borogio Color Me Brilliant primer. This is basically meant to go on your hair to your scalp, and it's meant to protect it before you put heat on it. I've never tried this type of product before. I usually have the spray, so I'm really excited to test it out and see how it works on my hair, because even though I don't go in it with heat often, I do use straighteners on and off, and as of late I've noticed I have started to use a hair dryer, which I never did before, so I'm glad I picked this up. Now the item that I'm not seeing here, which must be upstairs somewhere, because I did begin filming this yesterday, but the film was so dark and weird, I just stopped. I'm like, I'll just do it this morning. But I also, from Borogio, I picked up their Be Well Tea Tree Oil. I'm not sure. My foundations are miracle workers, I have to tell you that, but I've been breaking out so bad due to the face mask, and it literally, wherever that rim of the face mask touches my face, I'm breaking out so severely, more than hormonal acne, that it's really affecting me, and I'm getting so self-conscious, and I hadn't been that way in a while. So I picked it up, and it's also good actually for your dry scalp. So I'm really excited to try it out because I've never tried tea tree oil. Oddly enough, I've never tried it for myself. So I'm excited to try it out and see how it works getting rid of my acne. I have been doing another skincare routine. I switched out a few of my products, which has reduced the inflammation and reduced the severity of my breakouts. But I would like to heal my skin faster if possible, of course. I will be posting all the products I purchased on my Instagram if you would like to see a full flat lay. And I will also, of course, as time progresses, I will post a review on all these products and let you guys know what I think about them. But let me know if you guys picked up anything at the Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty, or those that have FabFitFun Box. Did you pick up anything during the edit sale? I mean, there was just so many things offered. I'm bummed that I forgot to check out the items before they sold out. But anyways, thank you all so very much. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys like the video. Thank you very much, and have a great day.